see. So what you want to do is you get the wheels on video.
Wheels are on video.
They are. The sexy wheels down there. What toes you touching them? Okay. What you do is you get off your board. Then pick up one foot. Ew. And that's practice.
You be a queer.
Only on Tuesdays. And then after that, what you do, you transfer that. Actually, I forgot one part. Whenever you jump up in the air, you pick one foot up. When you don't like that, what you do is you slide your foot up. And then, while you do that, you just go right down to your bulk. And you do this. You crouch. Boom! I screwed up.
I screwed up. Boom! I screwed up.
What you do? I'm messing up again. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. What you do is... Hey! I messed up again. Man, joke's on you. That's a hot call.
All you're doing is hopping.
I did it earlier.
This is all on video too.
Why can't I do it anymore?
Because you're on video.
Stop it! Stop it!
Maybe I don't want to.
Oh, I think I did it. Ooh, I gotta do it 3 times.
I've been a rolling stone. That was
Well, see, that's how you fail to do a pop shove it. See, that's what I meant to do. You ready for this? It's called a kickflip. Oh no, that's not how you do a kickflip. It's like that. Totally. You know how to land, primo? You land like this. Like this. And then, if you're good enough, you go like, ow! Stop the video.